All right. Today's the day. I got this. I mean, what's the worst she could say? No? Or... ew? No, I got this. Because I have worth. Because I'm me. Dorky, awkward, stupid me. I don't have this. You're right. You don't.
Who was that? What was that?
Me.
You are truly pathetic. What do you want with me? You pathetic idiot. You really thought you'd have a chance? That you'd swoop in and get the girl?
I could have, I might have.
What? Not like this you couldn't have. You think you can talk to her? You can't even talk to yourself.
If I could just choose the right thing to say.
Chose the right thing to say? Are you stupid? You can barely speak a single word, and you think you're gonna get some Hail Mary attempt to choose the right one?
I don't know.
Because you know nothing. You idiot. You don't know anything.
You're right. I know nothing. I know nothing.
It's about time. I mean, today you've disappeared, and what's changed? You are so insignificant. You truly are nothing.
No. No. Not anymore. I'm not gonna let you get to me any longer. I can get the girl. I am not pathetic and I have worth. Because I'm me.
Hey, do you have a minute?